Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will show you a few best Blender add-ons for rigging, scattering, nature assets, simulations, clothing, and real-time sky system that will help you work faster, easier, and more efficiently. Let's get started. First up, we have Auto Rig Pro. Auto Rig Pro is the most advanced Blender rigging add-on ever made. It makes rigging of human characters super easy and fast, and allows you to rig any other creature from horse to insect. It comes with a smart rigging feature that allows you to place armature automatically onto your human character to speed up the process of your character rigging. The workflow is 100% non-destructive, which means you can get back to it later to make any changes you want. This add-on also gives you the ability to add an advanced facial rig to your character for high-quality animations. It gives you full control over your facial features for adding emotional depth to your animation. You can rig even the finest details of your characters with this add-on, giving your character more flexibility and realism. Once you have set up all the steps, binding your mesh to the rig is also super simple and easy. You can test the movements right away to make sure everything is working perfectly. After rigging, you can even use other animation files and retarget it onto your character using the retargeting feature of this add-on. So if you want to make your rigging super easy and faster, Auto Rig Pro is the way to go. Next up, we have Physical Starlight and Atmosphere. This is the most popular Sky add-on for Blender. This add-on is used by many studios such as Ubisoft, KTM, 343 Industries, Embark Studios, and even NASA's 3D artists use it. It is setting the new industry standard for lighting and real-time interactivity with the atmosphere. This versatile add-on offers you pre-made presets to save time and effort, providing you with a list of ready-to-use settings that can instantly transform your scene and serve as a starting point for further customization. Moreover, it boasts a wide array of customization options, including animation features for every aspect. With the use of keyframes, you can effortlessly animate each element, breathing life into your scenes and creating a dynamic atmosphere that captivates viewers. Another plus is its compatibility with both Eevee and Cycle's rendering engines. Furthermore, its user-friendly interface makes it accessible to beginners, enabling them to produce stunning visuals with ease. In summary, if you're looking to integrate real-time skies into your Blender projects, Physical Starlight and Atmosphere is the perfect add-on for you. Moving on to the next, we have Botanic, which is, as the name suggests, a tree and grass library. It's the ultimate library for optimized and realistic 3D vegetation. Whether you're an architect, environmental designer, or 3D artist, this add-on brings nature to your fingertips. It comes with over 720 assets and 75 scatter presets. It also features an amazing real-time modification tool that allows you to customize linked assets effortlessly, saving you from repeatedly clicking buttons for every adjustment. You can add seasonal variations and dynamic wind animations to your scenes, quickly draw customizable vines on any surface, and add new trees and other intricate details with just a click. It's perfect for botanifying your environment easily. The creators of Botanic also have some other powerful tools that you can get from the PBR Materials Library, Car Traffic Library, VRAM Saver, Render Manager, and so on. Make sure to read more about these add-ons. I guarantee you that polygonic add-ons are the most advanced add-ons for Blender. Next, we have Flip Fluids. This tool helps you create stunning fluid simulations. Whether you're working on water, lava, or any other fluid, this add-on has you covered. It creates realistic flowing effects with sprays, foam, bubbles, and splashes. You can change the viscosity of the liquid, its shape, and make it turbulent or chaotic however you want. Whether you're creating fluid effects on a small or big scale, this add-on is a great help. Next up is Geoscatter. This add-on allows you to spread or scatter objects in your environment in just a few clicks. Geoscatter is a useful tool if you're working on forests, grasslands, or any other complex scene. It lets you scatter in a variety of ways, and you can change the density, scale, and rotation to get the perfect look. It also features the interaction of your scatter instances with chosen objects, making it really worthwhile. You can have advanced control over how your instances are assigned by rate, cluster, color ID, etc. With this add-on, You can create stunning, detailed environments in no time. Lastly, we have Simply Cloth Pro, which is a must-have tool to streamline your cloth-related tasks in Blender. No extensive knowledge or experience is needed to use this add-on. It's made easy to choose from presets and customize them effortlessly. It features easy baking into keyframe animation, creating pin layers, drawing clothes, sticking them directly onto objects, attaching other objects to clothes, and making them skin-tight as you like. It also lets you add extra details to your clothes, and everything is so easy to edit. These are the few best and most useful add-ons for your work. They're all must-haves. Check out the links in the description to get started with these amazing tools. Make sure to like and subscribe to never miss out on my new videos. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you all in the next one.